G'day guys, Ryan from Big Boots UK here. One of the boots I'm about to show you are the Southern Cross Zip S3 in sand, which is one of the most popular boots. It's taken off quite well here in the UK. So here you go, this is what it's going to look like when they arrive to you. Comfort rewards from Steel Blue, so if you go to their website, sign up, there's a chance to win a pair every month. Beer mats we send out with all our orders. Some boot care tips from Steel Blue. And this is the boot here. Just move that out of the way. As you can see, industrial grade zip here. Make sure you bring it all the way to the bottom, so to put the boot on, just protects the zip a little bit longer. 105mm to the top, and then the back of the boot just helps with the freedom of the leg when you're driving, moving around, squatting, whatever you need to do. Also, you've got the bottom. S3 means it's penetration resistant, extremely grippy as well, so you're not going to slip as well. It's quite a well-graded boot. You've also got the nubuck leather, and you've got the scuff cap on top of the boot. So with a lot of boots here in the UK, they don't have the scuff cap. The first thing you'll see is the metal shining through. This will actually just protect that and give it a lot longer as well. So here you can see the quality build, nice soft tongue at the top, and all around a great boot. And if you head to our website, guys, they're $104.99 as recommended retail price, but there's plenty of codes there if you check out our Instagram. We've got some few people promoting codes, so check out our Instagram, which is big_boots UK. Cheers.